Most people trying to build AI video sequences hit the same wall. They generate one incredible frame, then the next shot looks like a completely different person wearing the same outfit. Nano Banana Pro with Gemini 3 just solved that problem in a way that is going to change how you think about visual storytelling forever. I am going to walk you through a system that lets you take one single reference image and spin out dozens of perfectly matched camera positions using nothing but a text prompt. Every angle keeps your subject identical. Same face, same clothing, same lighting, same world. My name is Paul James. I have spent years figuring out how to do more with less, and tools like this are exactly the kind of leverage I wish I had when I was grinding in my brother's garage trying to launch a business with zero budget. Back then, if you wanted multiple camera angles of the same character, you needed a film crew, a location, and thousands of dollars. Now you need one image and about 3 minutes. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I will not try and sell you Go High Level because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Let me paint you a picture of the old way. You are trying to create a story sequence. You generate your hero shot in MidJourney or whatever tool you are using. Looks amazing. Then you prompt for a close-up of the same character. The AI gives you someone who looks like their cousin. You try again. Now they have different hair. You try a third time. The outfit changed colors. By attempt number 7, you are ready to throw your laptop out the window because you just burned through 50 generations and still do not have 2 shots that match. That is the wall everyone hits. AI image tools are incredible at creating single frames. But the second you ask them to remember what they just made and apply it to a new angle, they forget everything. It is like working with someone who has amnesia every 30 seconds. You cannot build sequences. You cannot tell stories. You are stuck with isolated moments that never connect into anything bigger. Here is where Nano Banana Pro and Gemini 3 flip the entire game. I call this the infinite angle framework, and it works by creating what I think of as a visual memory system. Instead of asking the AI to remember your character across multiple separate prompts, you give it one base image and let it generate a full grid of camera positions all at once. Think of it like this. You are not asking the tool to recreate your character over and over. You are asking it to analyze your character once, lock in every detail, and then show you that exact same person from every angle you might need. The way this works is pretty straightforward once you understand the structure. You start with what I call your anchor image. This is your reference point for everything that comes after. You want a clean shot where the character is visible from at least the waist up. Good lighting, clear pose, face fully in frame. Your starting image can come from Nano Banana Pro directly or build it with MidJourney, Flux, whatever gives you the look you want. The important part is that this one image becomes your North Star. Once you have your anchor image, you bring it into Gemini 3, which has Nano Banana Pro built right in. You upload that reference and you hit it with a prompt that tells the system to generate a grid of camera angles. What comes back is something that honestly still feels like magic to me. Extreme wide shot, medium shot, close up, low angle, high angle, over the shoulder. The AI is not guessing. It is analyzing the composition of your original image and mathematically translating it into new perspectives while keeping every visual detail locked. Here is where things get wild. Each position in that grid is labeled, so you are not just looking at a bunch of random angles. You are looking at a professional shot list. Once you have that grid, you can extract any individual frame you want just by telling the tool which angle you need. You say, give me the low angle shot, and it pulls that specific frame out at full resolution. Now you have a standalone image that matches your original anchor perfectly, but from a completely different camera position. This part used to stress me out when I was trying to figure all of this out. I kept thinking there had to be some complicated technical process I was missing. There is not. It is just one reference image, one grid generation, and then extraction. That is the whole flow. Now let me show you where this gets financially interesting. If you are a content creator, you know that one of the biggest bottlenecks is visual variety. You can write 10 different social posts, but if they all use the same static image, engagement drops off a cliff. With this system, you generate one character design and now you have enough visual assets to support an entire content calendar. Different angles for different posts, different moods, different focal points, all perfectly consistent. Freelancers, this is a game changer for client work. Let me give you a real scenario. A client needs promotional images for a new product launch. They want their brand mascot shown in 5 different scenarios. Normally, you are either paying a photographer for a full shoot or you are generating 5 separate images and hoping they kind of look similar. With Nano Banana Pro and Gemini 3, you create one anchor image of that mascot, generate your grid, extract 5 different angles, and deliver a cohesive set that looks like it came from a professional shoot. You just saved yourself hours of back and forth revisions, and you can charge the same rate because the client does not care how you made it. They care that it works. Agency owners, think about pitch decks. You need mock-ups that show a campaign concept from multiple perspectives. Instead of stitching together mismatched stock images or hiring an illustrator for a multi-$1,000 job, you generate one hero image, spin out your angles, and build the entire visual narrative in an afternoon. The time savings alone changes your margin on that project. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Here's a quick example of how this plays out in the real world. Let's say you are building a YouTube thumbnail for a tutorial series. Your main character is a tech entrepreneur sitting at a desk. You generate that base image, clean background, professional lighting, confident posture. That is shot 1. Now you need a close-up for the second video in the series. Instead of generating from scratch and hoping the AI remembers what this person looks like, you go back to your grid, extract the medium close-up angle, and boom, same person, same desk, same vibe. Thumbnail number 2 is done. For video 3, you need a wide shot showing the full workspace. Extract the extreme wide from your grid. 15 seconds of work, and you have thumbnail number 3. You just created a visually cohesive series that builds brand recognition because every frame reinforces the same character design. The reason this matters goes beyond just saving time. Consistency builds trust. When viewers encounter that identical character in every piece of your content, their brain registers it as a real entity. That is how you build a brand. That is how you turn random visuals into a recognizable asset that people start to associate with your work. Now here's the twist almost nobody talks about. Once you have these extracted frames, you can animate between them. Nano Banana Pro does not do video, but you can take your images into a video tool like Veo or Runway and use them as keyframes. You set your starting frame and your ending frame, and the AI generates the motion in between. So now you are not just getting static angles. You are getting smooth camera movements that transition from wide shot to close-up or from one perspective to another, all while keeping your character perfectly locked in. Imagine what your next 30 days look like after mastering this. You are not stuck regenerating the same character 50 times hoping for consistency. You are building sequences. You are telling stories. You are creating video content that actually flows instead of jumping between frames that barely match. You have a system that turns one good idea into a full visual library. Here's the angle most tutorials never touch. This is not just about making pretty pictures, this is about control. Every angle you can generate is another way to communicate your message. Wide shots establish context, close-ups create intimacy, low angles add drama, high angles show vulnerability. When you can generate all of those perspectives from one source image, you are not just making content, you are directing. You have the same storytelling grammar that filmmakers use, except you are doing it solo with AI instead of managing a crew of 20 people. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I will not try and sell you go high level because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Nano Banana Pro with Gemini 3 is not some hyped up beta feature that might work if the stars align. It is live, it is accessible, and it is giving people the kind of creative control that used to require a production budget. One image, infinite angles, that is the leverage.